Welcome back to another tutorial on the looping scrolling text animation effect. In our last video, we have finished creating the solid and hollow text bars, and also the scrolling effects. Well, be sure to click the link on the upper right to check that out, and it will be much easier for you to continue with today's video. Now, back to this video. Today we'll be showing you how to create different colored scrolling text bars and how to add music to them. Well, without further ado, let's get started. First, start a VideoProc Vlogger. Find the project file we saved last time. Double-click to enter the main interface. To make the whole video look more advanced and stylish, first, we import a dynamic music. Then, drag it to the audio track. Let's listen to the music. I believe you can clearly feel the drum beat and beat change. It's very easy to find the beat. Next, we use the shortcut M to mark the beat points for the subsequent editing. When you're done, you will have a couple of markers like this. Here, our goal is to change the color of both the solid text and the hollow text respectively, and at the same time keep the text scrolling. So first, use the shortcut Ctrl to select the 4 text bars. Then, use Ctrl-C to copy them out. Use Ctrl-V to paste them in behind. However, you will find that the endpoints of these text bars are not in line with the marker below, so we need to first adjust the duration to achieve the effect that we want. Here we must be very careful that since we have added the motion effect, we cannot just cut this section, but instead, we should select the text bar. Click on the motion icon. Adjust the second keyframe to the exact point. After applying adjustment, we come back to the main interface. Then, we remove the extra part to align the marker. This will ensure that the text bar scrolls properly. In the same way, let's adjust the length of the remaining 3 text bars separately. Now, we can perfectly add to the beat. Next, we select the text bar again. Find the color icon in the toolbar. Click on it to enter the color and filter editor panel. On the left side, you can find a bunch of filter presets to work with. But here, we come to the right side. Scroll down and find the HSL panel. Find a color that matches the text color. Take it. Then, put a slider to adjust the hue value. Now you can see the text color changing along with it. Well, I think the green color is pretty nice. After loading the number, you can click Apply to apply adjustment. For the remaining 3 text bars, I will do the same to change the HSL values. Directly enter the hue value we just loaded to quickly finish editing. Let's see the effect now. Isn't it great? For the markers on the music, we go ahead and repeat the operation we just did to create different color tags. And the final result will come out like this. Alright, this is all for today's video. And in the next video, we will finish making this cool scrolling text bar animation effect. Be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!